AB is parallel to CD. This is what the condition of rectangle, and each angle is 90 degree. So if this is 40, this is also 40 because both are length. If this is x, this is breadth, this is also breadth, both are x centimeter. And obviously it's a rectangle, each angle will be 90 degree. This is also 90, this is also 90, this is also 90, this is also 90. So this diagonal is dividing our rectangle into two right angled triangles and equal right angled triangles. Equal, if you'll see, here is also 40, here is also x. Here is also 40, here is also x. This is also 41, and that triangle also, this is 41. This will not change. Are we clear? So one diagonal divides a rectangle into two equal right angled triangles. So what you will do? A triangle ABD, you'll apply Pythagoras theorem. Base is what? Base is equal to, or you can write base or length, one and the same thing. Base or length is equal to 40 centimeter, breadth or height is equal to x centimeter, diagonal or hypotenuse, both are the same because both are longest is 41 centimeter. Now by Pythagoras theorem, what it states? By Pythagoras theorem, and I say AB square means base square plus height square plus AD square is equal to diagonal hypotenuse square BD square. Are we clear? Therefore AB means 40 centimeter, 40 square, x square is equal to 41 square. Now 40 square means 40 into 40 and x into, keep it, we don't need this, 41 into 41. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having? Now we have to see what is 41 into 41. What is 41 into 41? Okay, so 41, this is what? 1600 plus x square. If I solve, I'll be getting 681. Now x square, here plus, there minus 681 minus 1600. If I solve, I'll be getting 81. Now x is square is equal to 9 into 9. I can write x square is equal to 9 whole square. So if I solve, square square cancel, x is equal to 9 centimeter. So this is what? 9 centimeter. So the breadth of the rectangle is 9 centimeter. Are we clear? Last question, that is the question of rhombus. Last question, rhombus. Diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its diameter. Last question. What do you mean by rhombus first? Rhombus is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal. This is what rhombus is. Parallelogram. Parallelogram means this is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. It means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. This is what rhombus is. Secondly, if I talk about the rhombus, none of the angle is 90 degree. None of the angle is 90 degree. Means this cannot be 90, this cannot be 90, this cannot be 90, this cannot be 90. If any angle becomes 90 degree, the rhombus is called square. The rhombus is called square. And each side of rhombus is equal to each other. If this is A, this is also A, this is also A, this is also A. Secondly, diagonals means joining opposite vertices. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Understand what it means. That diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other at 90 degree. Understand what it means. First of all, bisect means divide into two equal parts. Divide into two equal parts. Are we clear? 90 degree means whenever they cut each other at 90 degree. This is what it means. Now if you see, The measurement of diagonal is given. Let me take BD is 16 centimeter and AC is 30 centimeter. This is what I want. This is what is given in the question. That BD is 16 centimeter, this complete, and this is 30 centimeter. Now if they bisect, what will happen? On bisection, what will happen? It means 30 will be divided into 2 equal halves. It means this will also be 15 centimeter, this will also be 15 centimeter. Now 16 bisection means above is also 8 centimeter, above is also 8, below is also centimeter. Now this is 90. What we can do? We can apply what? We can apply angle, Pythagoras theorem. In any given triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem to solve, because we are having base, we are having height, we have to find the hypotenuse. If I take out this triangle, it is like this. This is O, this is D, this is C. This is what I am getting. And what is OC? OC is 15 centimeter. What is height? 8 centimeter. I have to find A, the hypotenuse, the side of the rhombus. Are we clear? Apply Pythagoras theorem. 8 square plus 15 square is equal to A square. On applying, what I will be getting? 64, 225, A square. Now 64 and this, what I will be getting? 289, A square. Now just tell me what is 289 into 289. Which, if I multiply these two numbers, I will be getting 289 into 289. Tell me yourself. Tell me yourself. That is what? 17. 17 into 17 is 289. So 17 into 17 is 289. So A square, can I write A square is equal to 17 square. Cancel out. A is equal to 17 centimeter. Now we got the side. Yes or no? We got the side, and hence this is also 17 centimeter. This is also 17 centimeter. This is also 17 centimeter, and this is also 17. Yes or no? 17, 17, 17. What do you mean by parameter? We have to find the parameter. I told you what is the formula of parameter. Parameter means sum of all sides. How many sides are here? 4 sides. So AB plus BC, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD means 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17. This is 68 centimeter. And the formula of parameter of a rhombus is 4 into side. Means 4 into side. If you multiply side with the 4, we'll be getting the parameter of the rhombus. By this, your chapter and the Pythagoras theorem application owes here only. I hope you would have enjoyed and you have learned about the Pythagoras theorem, and few more concepts you have learned about the various quadrilaterals also in this video. Now in the next chapter we'll be doing the congruence of the triangles. Till then, take care. Bye bye.